don't have a good day, have a great day, and I hope you do. So to be able to export your video, you need to set up the in and out points by pressing the I for in point and O for out point. That way you tell the Premiere that you want to export only this area. If you want to export whole video, you need to remove the in and out points by pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. The new version of Premiere has that export window and you need to go there, and you'll see that you need to name your file first and then choose the location where you want your file to be exported. Next, you will see the preset. You can choose the adaptive high bitrate. It's a good option for the most videos. And then the format, you can choose the H.264. It will export your video in MP4 and is pretty much most common format. And then hit the export button and wait until your video got exported. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That way you don't miss future tutorials. See you next time.